नमस्ते। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग और कैसे चल रहा है आपका समर और आपका फिटनेस प्रोजेक्ट 2021? आई होप यू बीन फॉलोइंग ऑल द 12 गाइडलाइंस दिस समर एंड enjoying good health and enjoying great fitness and a slimmer waist and all of those good things which need to come to you. तो क्या है इस हफ्ते का गाइडलाइन? व्हाट इज द लास्ट गाइडलाइन फॉर दिस ईयर? वेल, देयर आर many visual cues. I do hope that you're looking at them. You also know exactly the tree under which I'm standing. So this is then really about 5 ways of using the banana this summer. That's what I'm going to be talking to you about. Now, why banana? Well, banana is the fruit, the traditional fruit of our region. It is also, something which holds the treasure trove of our grandmom's wisdom. It belongs to our collective wisdom, right from using the banana leaf as as a thali. We've also used the banana, the raw banana for sabzi. We even use the banana flour for sabzi. And then of course we use the fruit all 12 months of the year. So I'm going to tell you 5 easy ways of using the banana and why you should be using the banana in 5 different ways. The first one is something that you're absolutely all aware of, and that is about starting your day with a banana. So if you have low, if you have low hemoglobin levels, if you have cramps, and if you get frequent migraines, then one of the things that you need to start your day with is a banana. Start your day with a banana. That's the first way of using it. The second way of using it is of using it as a mid meal. Well, banana is considered as a complete meal in our tradition. So in case you ever don't have the time to eat lunch, or if you're ever running late for dinner, or as our lives now slowly begin to go from online to offline, we will get back to the old normal of delayed lunches, of late night dinners. But then how will you, as a very fit person, deal with those kind of occasions? Well, just eat a banana, and then what you will notice is that the delayed meal doesn't cause acidity, doesn't cause bloating, doesn't cause any kind of constipation. It also prevents overeating, and most importantly, it prevents sugar craving. So use that banana as a mid meal, especially when you're running late for lunch and dinner. That's the second way of using the banana. The third way of using the banana is, I feel, is the most spectacular way of using banana, because it doesn't just use banana, but it uses other superfoods and converts it into a complete wholesome meal. It is the most common lunch meal that's used in Mumbai and across Maharashtra, and is very popular with school kids. And this meal is basically called a shikran puri, where you simply dice the banana in tiny pieces, you mix it with milk, you don't blend it, you just add the pieces to milk, you add some sugar, and you cut the roti again, just with your hands. You make tiny pieces out of your roti and dip it in that mixture. Then if you are one of those brave types, you can even mix it with your hands. If you're one of those hi-fi types, just mix it with a spoon. But do what you have to and have this delicious meal. If this if you were one of those people with a creative genius, you could put it on your gourmet table and call it a cold soup. You could even have it as the most complete meal. If you have a fussy eater in a child, if you have an ailing parent who has lost her appetite, if you are not in a mood for a full meal but still want something which is wholesome, and you are kind of juggling between a chocolate pastry and a vanilla ice cream, just go for the shikran puri. So that's how you use it for lunch. That's the third way of using it. The fourth way of using a banana is rather simple. It is about closing your meal with a banana. Extremely useful in cases of IBS, extremely useful for constipation, great for people who get cramps in the night, and it's a traditional practice of South India to close the meal with one banana. In India, there are only 3 meals which can be had at any time, and even with a meal or as a meal. And those 3 meals are jackfruit, banana, and a mango. Interestingly, these 3 meals,
Three
these three
foods.
fruits are also the fruits which are associated with high fertility levels and good hormonal balance. So if you feel that you're balding or getting too much facial hair and generally feeling like you're aging quickly, try that banana after a meal. All right. And the last way of using it is for all those of you who study really hard and sometimes have to stay up late nights to complete assignments and homework and simply read up, but would really like something which doesn't have caffeine, because caffeine will dehydrate you, it will prematurely age you and make your skin pigmented. So what is it that you can have? Simply have a banana milkshake. So banana and milk, and just blend it, and you can have that. It is a great energizer. It picks up your mood. It allows you to stay up without putting you in a toxic zone. This is also a good meal for all athletes and for all people who are serious about exercise. So this is a great post workout meal for all of you who often wonder कि वर्कआउट के बाद में क्या खाऊं, क्योंकि वर्कआउट के बाद में थोड़ा सा एपेटाइट सप्रेस भी हो जाता है, लेकिन बॉडी को होलसम मील का ज़रूरत रहता है. So banana milkshake, to your rescue. All right, so these are some of the 5 fun ways of eating your banana. Don't forget to fill out the form for week 11. And what happens to your body once you start adding banana in any one of these 5 innovative ways, that you need to fill out next week. So don't forget to fill out your form next week. Also, I'll put in a reminder so that you also send me your week 12 forms. I must say that all of you participants of 2021 have been especially kind, diligent and committed to this fitness project. You filled in your form week after week, and this has really helped us understand how well you're progressing. This has also helped us understand what should be the guideline for every week. So thank you very much for being a part of this project, which is really close to my heart. And I will miss you seeing week after week, but I will see you every so often. So thank you very much for being a part of this. And now for questions.
Can you please repeat the 5 ways of having the banana again?
Oh, wonderful. In any specific language?
Yeah, Hindi.
ओके. सो सबसे पहले आप आपके दिन की शुरुआत बनाना के साथ कर सकते हो, तो इससे आपका कॉन्स्टिपेशन, माइग्रेन, ये सारी चीज़ें कम होगी. ऑल्सो जिन जिन लोगों को रात में नींद का प्रॉब्लम है या जिनको रात नींद में क्रैम्स आते हैं, उनके लिए ये बहुत यूज़फुल है. दूसरा बनाना खाने की चीज़ है कि आप उसे मिड मील की तरह खा लीजिए. स्पेशली अभी जैसे जैसे हमारी लाइफ ऑनलाइन से ऑफलाइन चली जाएगी, तो आप ये नोटिस करोगे कि आपका लंच डिले हो रहा है, या अभी शादियों का भी मौसम चालू हो गया तो डिनर्स डिले हो रहे हैं. तो अगर आप बनाना खा के फिर लंच या डिनर खाते हो, तो फिर आप ओवर ईटिंग भी नहीं करते हो, आपको एसिडिटी, ब्लोटिंग, कॉन्स्टिपेशन भी उससे नहीं होता है, और शुगर क्रेविंग या स्वीट टूथ भी आराम से रहता है, आपको उसकी तकलीफ नहीं होती. तीसरी चीज़ है चिकन पोड़ी की तरह उसे खाना. मतलब ये पॉपुलर लंच मील है महाराष्ट्र में. तो आपको बनाना को काटना है, उसे दूध में मिलाना है, थोड़ी सी शक्कर डालनी है और रोटी का चूरा बना के उसमें डालना है. फिर वो आप हाथ से मिक्स कर सकते हैं. और जितने भी बच्चे हैं जो कि लंच खाने में कट करते हैं, उनके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा मील है. वैसे भी अगर आपका कोई एलिंग पेरेंट है, कोई बेड रिडन है, जिनको अच्छा खाने की ज़रूरत है लेकिन उनकी भूख मरी हुई है, उन पेशेंट्स के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा और होलसम मील है. चौथा तरीका बनाना खाने का ये है कि आप जो भी खा रहे हो लंच या डिनर, वो ख़त्म करते ही आप एक बनाना खा लो. तो ये करके अगर आपको IBS है या कॉल टू योर रीच.
Okay, next
Alright.
next question is, can we have banana in the evening also?
Of course, you must have the banana in the evening. It's a good meal to have between 4 to 6 p.m. जब हमको ऐसा लगता है ना कि क्या खाऊं और पता नहीं चलता है कि क्या खाना चाहिए, तो या अगर आप ट्रैफिक में स्टक हो, अगर आप लंबे फ्लाइट्स ले रहे हो, तो यू कैन ईट द बनाना.
क्या बनाना खाने से वेट बढ़ता है?
वेल, बनाना खाने से वेट नहीं बढ़ता है, लेकिन बनाना से डरोगे तो ज़रूर आपका वज़न बढ़ेगा. जितनी भी नेचुरल चीज़ें हैं जो कि पेड़ पौधों पर नेचुरली लगते हैं, उनसे क्या डरते हो. जो कि पैकेट खुल के हम खाते हैं, उनसे डरिए अगर डरना ही है तो. याद रखिए, जितना पैकेट खुलता है उतना पेट फूलता है, और जितना प्लांट से खाओगे उतने पतले रहोगे. ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग.
बनाना जरूर खाना. बनाना जरूर खाना.
Oh, thank you very much for watching. I have a reminder to say the हैशटैग बनाना जरूर खाना, तो बनाना जरूर खाइए और मस्त रहिए। अगले साल फिटनेस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जरूर मिलेंगे, और अदरवाइज ओवरऑल 2021 में थ्रू रेगुलर वीडियोस हम मिलते रहेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एंड फॉर मेकिंग फिटनेस प्रोजेक्ट सो स्पेशल फॉर मी। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।